Attention students, today class I am going to explain about solve the linear equations by matrix inversion method. Start. Listen, how to see here having the two equation. What are the two equation? 2x plus 5y equal to minus 2, x plus 2y equal to minus 3. Both are linear equation. That linear equation nothing but what? Equation of the straight line. For the lower classes, we solve the linear equation by using either elimination method or what? Substitution method. For studied in the 9th standard. But in 10th standard you studied the same linear equation solved in the cross multiplication method also. Now we are solve the linear equation in matrix inversion method for in 12th standard. So we are solving the equation in number of method, but today class we learn how to solve the linear equation in matrix inversion method. So first we write the equation in the matrix form. So 2x 5 plus 5y equal to minus 2, write 2 5 1 2. 2x plus 5y, write the coefficient only. 2 1, coefficient of x is nothing but what? 1. Again 5 and 2, write in the 2 by 2 form. Balance, what are the two variable? X and y variable. We are going to solve and find the value for x and y value. Equal to minus 2 minus 3. So the given linear equation is what in turn of we write in the matrix method. Now this is the first matrix is taken as A, second matrix taken as X, AX equal to that equal to is taken, equal to matrix is taken as what? B. So AX is equal to B. What is your X? X is equal to A inverse. X is equal to A inverse of B. Because going to A goes to the right hand side, it will become A inverse. A inverse nothing but what? 1 by A. So X is equal to A inverse of B. Already find how to find the inverse. What is A inverse? Remember the formula. What is A inverse? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. How to find the determinant of A in 2 by 2 matrix? What I told you, you multiply the downward minus upward. 2 2s are 4. Downward. First you multiply the downward numbers. 2 2s are 4. 1. This is nothing but what? 1. See the refer the question. 1. 1 5 is 5. 4 minus 5 equal to what? Minus 1. That is not equal to 0. Suppose the determinant of A becomes 0 means what happened? So 1 by instead of determinant of A becomes 0 means that we are unable to find the A inverse. Already we learn about the determinant of A is equal to 0 means it is a non-singular matrix, unable to find the A inverse. So determinant of A is not equal to 0, therefore it is non-singular matrix. Next we find the adjoint of A. See, if you learn the exercise number 1.1, 1.2, you followed, then only easily understand the exercise number 1.3. So now adjoint of A. First we find the determinant of A. Next we find the adjoint of A. For how to find the adjoint of A in 2 by 2 matrix, this is the 2 by 2 matrix. How to find the adjoint of A? Interchange the main diagonal. Both are having the same number, no problem. So interchange the main diagonal, change of the sign of the other diagonal. This is the main and we are going to interchange. If you interchange the same number, so no problem, 2 coming. And see the other diagonal 5 and 1 is what? Change the sign. So interchange the main diagonal, change the sign of the other diagonal. This is the concept for to find the adjoint of A in the 2 by 2 matrix. So find the 2 by 2 matrix. Next find the adjoint of A. Next adjoint of A is now what? 2 minus 5 minus 1 2. Next A inverse. A inverse equal to what? 1 by. What is the formula A inverse? 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. 1 by. What is your determinant of A? Determinant of A is nothing but what? Minus 1. What is your adjoint of A? Just now we find it. 2 minus 5 minus 1 2. You substitute the value for the A inverse formula. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So what do you get? 1 by minus 1 into 2 minus 5 minus 1 2. So multiplied with A. So if minus sign is going inside, what happen? Plus 2 become minus 2, minus 5 become plus 5, minus 1 become plus 1, plus 2 become minus 2. Therefore, A inverse equal to minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2. Next, you substitute the value for x. What is your x? X is equal to nothing but, what is x? X is equal to A inverse of B. Substitute in, we find the A inverse as well as we know the A. A is A inverse. We find it A inverse is what? Minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2. What is your B? Minus 2, minus 3. You substitute now. X is equal to A inverse of B. A inverse of B. A inverse is minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2. A inverse of B is what? What is your A inverse? Minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2 into B. B is nothing but what? Minus 2, 3. Now we do the ordinary matrix multiplication. First row with the first column. 2 2s are minus 2 into minus 2 is what? Plus 4. 2 2s are 4. 5 3s are minus 15. First row with the first column without change anything. What are the symbol here? Just you multiply. So 2 2s are 4. Minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 2 2s are 4. 5 3s are what? Minus 15. Again second row with the first column. 1 into 2 is what? Minus 2. 3 2s are minus into minus what? Plus 3 2s are 6. So you subtract. What happened? 4 minus 15 is nothing but what? Minus 11. Minus 2 plus 6 is what? 4. So what is the value? X is equal to minus 11, 4. Therefore, x is what? Which one is rewrite as x? See, x is nothing but what? xy. X is nothing but the xy term is rewrite as capital X. So instead of capital X, what we are substituting? Instead of capital X, we substitute what? xy. Instead of capital X, we substitute what? X and y. xy equal to what is the value? Minus 11 plus 4. Therefore, x is equal to, see, x is equal to minus 11, y equal to plus 4. So this is the method for to find the solve the linear equation by using what form? Matrix inversion method. So this is nothing but what? Two variable x, y, only two variable with two equation given. Next I am going to teach the three variable, how to calculate the three variable to find the using the inversion method. So first of all, second and third do as a homework. I am going to teach the first part, fourth sum. X plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. 6x minus 4y plus 5z minus 31 equal to 0. 5x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 13. So the given equation is rewrite in the matrix form. The given equation is, how many equations is given? 3 equations. Therefore, you are able to solve the value for x, y, z. So the given 3 equation rewrite is in the matrix form. How to rewrite in the matrix form? See, write the coefficient of x, y, z. For x, y, z, instead of x you substitute 1, instead of y you substitute 1, instead of z also you substitute what? 1. Next time, coefficient of x is at 6, coefficient of y is minus 4, coefficient of z is what? 5. Again, coefficient, see the third equation, coefficient of x is what? 5. So if you want me to take down, this is the first equation, this is the second equation, this is the third equation. Refer the question for your book. So now listen, coefficient of x is what? 5. Coefficient of y is what? 2. Coefficient of z is what? Again, this also 2. What are the variables? 3 variables. So rewrite as x, y, z. If having 2 variables means that is 2 by 2 matrix, x and y variable only coming. Here having 3 equation means what? The matrix is 3 by 3 matrix also we having find the 3 variable value x, y, z. Now equal to the constant term. The minus 2 goes to the right hand side to become plus 2. Minus 31 goes to the right hand side to become plus 31. Already having 31. Therefore, this is the A. The first matrix is A. Second matrix taken as X. Third one is what? B. This is taken as A. This is taken as X. This matrix is taken as a B. So A X. This is rewrite as capital X. Now what is the formula for A X is equal to B? A X is equal to B. X is equal to what? A inverse of B. X is equal to A inverse of B. How to find A inverse? Again I will rewrite. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant of A into adjoint of A. So what are the steps we are going to find? We find the determinant of A as well as adjoint of A. First we find the determinant of A. So determinant, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Everything teach already. One more time I will explain. This is also a 3 by 3 matrix. How to find the determinant value for 3 by 3 matrix? See the first element 1. 1 into. You left that row and the column. Balance is what? 4 2s are minus 8. 4 2s are minus 8. Minus. Downward minus upward. 4 2s are minus 8. 2 5s are what? Minus 10. Again first one is plus a. Second one is what? Minus. That is plus a minus a plus. So second one, plus 1 become what? Minus 1 into, you left that column as well as row. 6 2s are 12, 5 5s are 25. Left that row as well as that column. Balance is what? 6 2, 6 2s are 12, 5 5s are 25. 12 minus 25. Again plus 1, 1 into, you left that row as well as that column. Left the row as well as the column. Balance is what? 6 2s are 12. 5 4s are minus 20, already having one minus side. So minus into minus become plus. We left that row column as well as row. So 6 2s are 12, 5 4s are minus 20, already having one minus side. So minus into minus become plus 20. Now what happened? 1 into minus 8 into minus 10 is nothing but what? Minus 18. 12 minus 25 is what? Minus 13. Already outside having one minus 1. Minus into minus become plus 13. 12 plus 20 is what? 32. So you add and subtract. What happened? 32. 32 plus what? 13 is what? 45. 45 minus 18 is what? 27. So first to find the determinant value. So determinant of A equal what we find? 27. That is not equal to 0. 27 not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. Next we find the adjoint of A. What we are going to find? A inverse. What is A inverse? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So first we find the determinant of A. Next we are going to find the adjoint of A. So this is the 3 by 3 matrix. So first to find the cofactor. First to find the cofactor. Now listen. I will teach one more easy method how to find the cofactor. Starting from this, see that the determinant. What is the question? Take that question starting from minus 4. See this one, minus 4. Middle number take down, minus 4, 5. Minus 4, 5, 6 minus 4. This is the first row. Otherwise, you using the minor method, you find the cofactor. You followed one more method to find the cofactor. So, first we take the middle number, minus 4. Minus 4, 5. Minus 4, 5, 6 minus 4. Again what? Down, third row. We come to the third row, 2, 2, 5, 2. 2, 2, 5, 2. Again come to the first row. First take down the second row. Second row take the middle value. Starting from the middle value. Minus 4, 5 write it. After write 6 minus 4. Again 2, 2, 5, 2. Come to the third row. Again come to the first row. First row is what? 1, 1. Again 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. So next you rewrite what is right in the first row. Right? What is same thing in the one. Minus 4, 5, 6 minus 4. Minus 4, 5, 6 minus 4. This is little bit easy calculation. I do the calculation in the side for you because cofactor we are unable here. No, don't want to find here. Put a line and do the cofactor. Find the cofactor. So 4 2s are, see that one. Take down the box 2 by 2 matrix like 2 by 2. 2 by 2, 2 by 2. See that one. 4 2s are minus 8, 5 2s are minus 10. Downward minus upward. Again 5 5s are 25. 2 6 are 12 minus 12. Again 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 5 4s are 20. 5 4 minus 20. Already having one minus sign. So minus into minus what? Plus 20. Similarly come to the next one. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 2 is 2. That is minus 2. Again 2 1s are 2. 1 5 is 5. 2 1s are 2. 1 5 is 5. Next 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 1 2 is 2. 5 1s are 5, 1 2 is 2, 5 minus 2. Again come to the next step. See 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5, 4 1s are 4. Already having one minus sign, minus into minus become plus 4. Listen carefully for the how to find the cofactor for our one more method. Again 1 6 is 6, 1 6 is 6. Again 1 5 is 5. Downward minus upward. 1 6 is 6. 5 1s are what? Minus 5. Again 1 4 is 4 minus 4. 1 6 1s are 6. Downward minus upward. 1 4 is 4 minus 4. 6 1s are minus 6. See the calculation part. This is the one more method to find the cofactor. Otherwise what is followed in the 1.1 exercise, you follow the same procedure also. If it is very easy, means you follow this. If you understand, we follow this method also. So here I write it. See that one minus 8 minus 1 is nothing but one minus 18. 25 minus 12 is what? Plus 13. 12 plus 20 is what? 32. Again, next what? 2 minus 2 is what? 0. 2 minus 5 is what? Minus 3. 5 minus 2 is what? Plus 3. Here 5 plus 4 is what? 9. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is what? Plus 1. 6 minus 5 is plus 1. Minus 4 minus 6 is what? Minus 10. So find the cofactor using this method. If it is very easy, means we follow it as your interest. So first we find the cofactor. Next we find the adjoint. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. Having 2 by 2 matrix is easy method. Just interchange the main diagonal, change the sign of the other diagonal. This is what method? 3 by 3 matrix, we follow it. Next we find the transpose. This is the given cofactor. The cofactors are write it here. Next we find the transpose. Transpose nothing but what? Row become column. First row become first column. Second row become second column. Third row become third column. We find the adjoint of A. What is the next step? What is the formula? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A is nothing but what? 27. 1 by 27 into find the adjoint of A, substitute the adjoint value. Next find the X. X is nothing but what? A inverse of B. We write the A inverse into B. B is nothing but that constant value. So 1 by 27 into, this is also using the matrix multiplication. First row with the first column. So I write it here. Minus 18 into 2. Again plus 0 into 31. Plus 9 into 13. First row with the first column. Similarly, second row with the first column. 13 into 2 plus minus 3 into 31 plus 1 into 13. Similarly, third row with the first column. 32 into 2 plus 3 into 31 minus 10 plus minus 10 into 13. See the calculation part. Again now X is equal to 1 by 27 into minus 18 into 36. 0 into any number 0. 9 into 13 is what? 117. Next 26. 13 into 2 is what? 26. Minus 3 into 13 is what? 93. 1 into 13 is what? 13. Again 64 plus, how come 32 into 2 is what? 32 into 2 is what? 64. Plus 3 into 31 is what? 93. Minus 10 into 13 is what? Minus 130. Next, instead of capital X, first you are substituting. How many variables are going to find? 3 equations. So 3 variables. That is, keep it as X, capital X. So X, Y, Z equal to 1 by 27 into, you calculate. What do you get? The first step we get what? 81 minus 54, 27. Now divide by each number for the 27. So 81 by 27 minus 54 by 27. Next 27 by 27. What happened? We get 3 minus 2, 1. Therefore, X, Y, Z. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus 2. Z equal to 1. Thank you, children. Do all the sum carefully.